Have you ever wondered what really hides beneath the endless blue of our oceans? We actually know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the deepest parts of our own seas. And that's a terrifying thought, because deep below the waves, discoveries have been made that are so bizarre, so unexplainable, that even our most advanced scientists are left scratching their heads. Today, we're diving into 5 ocean mysteries that challenge everything we think we know about science, nature, and even our own history. And trust me, mystery number 3 will completely change how you think about life itself. So, grab your gear, because we're going deep. Our first stop takes us to the cold, dark depths of the Baltic Sea. In 2011, a team of Swedish treasure hunters were scanning the ocean floor when their equipment suddenly went wild. What they found was something massive, perfectly round, and 60 meters wide. It was shaped almost exactly like a classic flying saucer. The sonar images were even stranger, showing what looked like ramps, steps, and even a runway-like structure trailing behind it. The discovery, now known as the Baltic Sea Anomaly, sent shockwaves across the globe. Speculation ran rampant. Was this a piece of a lost civilization's forgotten technology? Some whispered it was a secret Nazi weapon from a forgotten project. Others, looking at its uncanny shape, were convinced it was an actual crashed alien spacecraft lying silently on the seabed. In response, scientists tried to calm the storm, offering explanations like it was a natural rock formation, a glacial deposit from the ice, age. But those explanations fall short for many. How could a natural rock form with such perfect geometry, with what appear to be engineered features? If it's natural, why does it look like it was built? The anomaly also seems to interfere with electronic equipment that gets close to it, adding another layer to the puzzle. To this day, the object remains unidentified, a silent, circular enigma, resting in the dark. From a mysterious object to mysterious art, let's travel somewhere even stranger, where intricate patterns appear overnight on the ocean floor. Off the coast of Japan, divers stumbled upon something that looked like it was from another world. Perfectly symmetrical circles etched into the sand, stretching nearly 2 meters wide. They were beautiful, complex, and their precise lines and geometric beauty were baffling. Naturally, theories exploded. Were these messages from aliens? The handiwork of a previously unknown underwater civilization? Or perhaps evidence of some new form of non-human intelligence communicating through art? The truth, when it was finally discovered, was even stranger and more wonderful than the theories. After years of confusion and observation, scientists finally found the artist, a tiny pufferfish, barely the size of a human hand. The male fish works tirelessly, day and night, using only his fins to sculpt these elaborate, perfect designs in the sand, all to attract a mate. It's one of the most incredible examples of courtship in the entire animal kingdom. But even with an answer, a bigger question remains. If a creature this small can create such a masterpiece on the ocean floor, what else is out there, shaping the seabed in ways we haven't even seen yet? It makes you wonder what other secrets nature is hiding right under our noses. And speaking of secrets, our next discovery breaks the fundamental laws of life itself. Deep in the ocean, a tiny creature exists that holds a power we humans have only dreamed of. It's called Turritopsis, thorny, but it's better known as the Immortal Jellyfish. Now, when most animals are threatened by starvation, serious injury, or simply old age, their life comes to an end. But not this jellyfish. When it faces a mortal threat, it does something that no other known animal on Earth can do. It reverses its own aging process. It reverts back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp, essentially becoming a baby again. From there, it starts its life cycle all over. In theory, it can do this indefinitely, making it biologically immortal. It can't be killed by old age. Think about that. Humans spend billions of dollars every year searching for anti-aging cures for the fountain of youth, while this tiny, unassuming creature quietly resets its own body, floating hidden in the vast, dark ocean. Scientists are still trying to fully understand the cellular mechanism that allows it to perform this incredible feat. Could the secret to eternal life, the ultimate biological cheat code, be floating right beneath our boats? The implications are staggering, and it proves just how little we understand about the possibilities of life on our own planet. Now, let's move from something you can see to something truly horrifying that you can only hear. In 1997, a network of underwater microphones, originally placed to detect Soviet submarines, recorded a sound that chilled scientists to the bone. It was a deep, ultra-low frequency, thunderous noise that was heard over a staggering 3,000 miles across the Pacific Ocean. It was so immensely powerful that no known animal on Earth, not even the blue whale, the largest creature to have ever lived, comes close to being able to produce a sound that loud. The scientists who recorded it nicknamed it simply the Bloop. The internet, of course, went into a frenzy. Theories exploded online. Was it the call of a massive, undiscovered sea creature? A real-life leviathan lurking in the abyss? Could it be a test of secret seismic weapons by military power? Or was it, as some suggested, the sound of alien activity deep beneath the waves? For years, the official explanation floated by scientists was that it was the sound of a massive icequake. A huge iceberg cracking and breaking away from a glacier in Antarctica. But many audio analysts and cryptozoologists argue that the audio signature of the Bloop doesn't match any known icequake. It has the profile of an animal's call, just one far larger than anything we know of. To this day, no one knows for sure what made the Bloop, leaving it as a terrifying audio mystery from the deep. If a mysterious monster wasn't enough to keep you up at night, wait until you see our final mystery, an entire underwater city that, according to our current understanding of history, simply shouldn't exist. Just off the coast of Japan's Yonaguni Island, divers discovered a gigantic stone structure rising 25 meters from the ocean floor. This isn't just a pile of rocks. The Yonaguni Monument, as it's called, has features that look eerily man-made. It has massive, stepped terraces like a pyramid, perfectly straight edges, sharp 90-degree corners, and what appear to be carved platforms and pathways. The debate over its origin has raged for decades. Some experts, particularly marine geologists, believe it's a completely natural formation, the result of unusual erosion patterns on sandstone. They argue that nature can sometimes create things that look artificial. But other experts, including many archaeologists and divers who have explored the site, are convinced it's the remains of a lost civilization, an ancient city swallowed by the sea thousands of years ago during the last ice age. If it is man-made, it would predate the Egyptian pyramids and Stonehenge by thousands of years, completely rewriting the accepted history of human civilization. Was there an advanced, seafaring culture that we know nothing about? The Yonaguni Monument remains one of the most controversial and exciting underwater discoveries ever made. So, from alien-like anomalies and artistic fish to immortal life and phantom sounds, the ocean guards its secrets well. Which of these mysteries shocked you the most? Was it the immortal jellyfish, the Bloop, or the underwater city? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you love exploring the unknown and challenging what we think we know, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. The ocean hides thousands more secrets. And believe me, this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching.